Yo, hello guys. Today I'm going to draw something, different. Different. I'm going to draw with this colors. And this mechanical pen, it looked like very normal, but it's purple. It's Wembu. And I'm going to experiment with color pencil, but since this is an assignment, I'm going to do it on my way. So let's begin the sketch.
So, I just want to tell you a story paano ako nagsimula sa art, bakit ako gumagawa ng art, and ewan ko. So, nung grade 6, I have a best friend called Hannah and a random guy, I don't know, I'm going to call him, I don't know, Blade, I'm going to call him Blade. And so, me and my best friend Hannah was just drawing something like I'm drawing cartoon and she was drawing anime, and mas madalas siyang piliin dun sa blackboard para makapag-drawing. And that was super jealous. So nagsiselos ako, ba't hindi ako pinipili? So ayun. Tapos one day, nakasali ko sa isang GC, nakasama si Blade. And si Blade, parang nag-spam siya ng mga drawing niya doon. So ako nainggit. Nainggit ako, syempre. So, ginaya ko. So, I start to draw anime, One Punch Man, at yung mga gusto kong mga waifu. Mga waifu. Tapos nun, syempre, nagdo-drawing ako ng mga waifu. Tapos pinupost ko yun sa FB. Tapos, nakita yun ni Blade. Tapos sabi sa akin ni Blade, parang malalagpasan mo ako one day. And speaking right now, and I actually did, kasi mas nag-focus siya ngayon sa photography than arts, which is good for him, good for you, Blade. Tapos after nun, I continue drawing traditionally kasi wala pa akong enough material nun to draw digitally. So nag-drawing na ako, nag-practice lang ako, and actually ang gastos ko nga kasi I start buying a lot of art material, tapos magagamit ko din, tapos pagsasawaan ko, tapos bibili ulit ako ng bago, and yun, and I'm compiling my money to buy a lot of art material, and until ngayon nasa akin pa yung mga yun, and baka gawin ko ng review one day. Masyado kasi mabigat and masyadong madami, so di ko alam, but so yun. So I remember the favorite place na gusto kong puntahan is yung Pandayan na malapit sa amin, na may katabi na siyang 7-Eleven. Lagi ko yung pinupuntahan nung bata ako, and lagi ako may dalang 100 pesos pambili ng sketchpad at pambili ng mga color pencil na Faber-Castell, na to the point na almost every week nandun ako sa store na yon para lang bumili ng sketchpad. And ngayon, wala na ata yung brand na binibilhan ko. Nag-extinct na ata. Kasi last time na pinuntahan ko yun, wala na. And yung mga art material doon, parang hindi na same tulad ng dati. So, I don't feel more nostalgia to that store anymore. But, yun. And every time na bibili ko ng art material today, I just want to look back to my younger self na parang gusto kong sabihin na kaya mo nang bilhin yung mga bagay na hindi mo kayang bilhin noon. And I was being proud to myself right now na nakabili ko ng isang color pencil na maganda kahit paano, kahit hindi ako marunong gumamit. And I'm going to continue the story in the next.
I'm nothing much to say because it's look good, but at the same time it look, I don't know, like what the hell is this? Basically my hand was shaking, like I don't know, I feel tired, I don't know what to do right now. look at my desk, it's such a mess. So this is what I try my best. I tried my best. This is my first time using a color pencil. The last time I used color pencil, I think I was grade 7. Yeah, I was grade 7. Dude, my hand was super numb right now. I don't know. And look at the color. It was so sack. Like, what the fuck is that? Right? And I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Look at this.
So, let's go back sa art story na gusto kong ikwento. And nung nag-start ako, I meet a lot new people. Lalo na nung pandemic days, I have a lot of online friends na nagdo-drawing din. And by doing that, nag-improve ako. And I create my first character na nagawa ko sa buong buhay ko. And today, birthday niya ngayon. Yippee! His name is Hoga Arata, which is dun ko nakuha yung pangalan na Hoga. And the meaning of Hoga is very different. And ito yung explanation nun. Every version ng makikita mong tao, every version na makikilala mo, sa perspective nila, may iba't ibang version ka. May masungit na version ka, may supladong version ka, may mabait, masungit, or anything. Basta may iba't ibang version in different people. And anong kinalaman nun sa pangalan na Hoga? Okay, ano? So, paano mo i-pronounce ang pangalan na Hoga? O yung pangalan ng channel na to? Well, basically, if you say Hoga, that means you're saying dried fish or tuyo. But if you say long age, like Hoga, you're telling 5. So, like 5. So, bakit ko pinili pangalan na Hoga and why it paired to Arata? Parang gusto ko, when you pronounce my name, you have a different meaning to it. And the Arata means new man. So, I want something new in my life since I want to rebrand my name because I hate the name Jeric. So, I think that's all. Thank you.
Now, this is the final product. Okay, please subscribe.